I'm going to teach you your first 3 chords, and I'm going to do it from your point of view so you can see exactly where to place your fingers and how to play these 3 chords. The first chord is going to be the E minor, and I'm going to put a chord diagram on the screen that mimics the fretboard so you can see exactly which fingers to place where. So on the 5th string, you're going to place your index finger, which is finger number 1, on the 5th string, 2nd fret. These are your frets. 2nd fret, you need to place behind the metal bar. Okay? Make sure that rings out. You know, don't mute it. Press down enough to ring out. And you want to kind of cup your hand out because you're going to drop the middle finger, finger number 2, on the 4th string, 2nd fret. It needs to ring out as well. You're going to hit the string above where your index finger is, open. Make sure your index finger is not blocking that. Okay? You're going to hit the string below your middle finger. Make sure the same, it rings out clearly. What I want you to do with your right hand, instead of strumming, I want you just to pick the top 4 strings, 6, 5, 4, 3. Just go down. And adjust if you have some buzzing or everything is not ringing out. The second chord is going to be what I call the easy G or a G6. Okay, from the E minor, we're going to do the easy G or the G6. And all that involves, you're going to take that middle finger, finger number 2. You're going to go up to the top string, 6th string, on the 3rd fret. So you're just going from here to here. Make sure it rings out. So you're going from here. Okay? And then with your right hand, I want you to do the same thing you did with the E minor. Top 4 strings. So first we had the E minor, easy G. Okay? There's 2 chords down. And the final chord is an A sus2. So coming from that easy G, what I want you to do, I want you to drop your index finger down a string, then place your middle finger, your 2nd finger, under it. So you're probably going to want to slide that to the left a little with your index finger to make room, because your both fingers are in the 2nd fret there on strings 3 and 4. So we've gone from here, drop, and then drop under. Okay? Now the picking on this is going to be just a little different. We're still going to do the 4 strings, but we're not going to start at the top. We're going to start at the 5th. So start 5. Do the same thing, 4 strings down. Make sure they're all ringing out. This is going to be one where you might mute the string above it. Make sure you're in there right. And if you have to come out like a trapeze and come at the strings. That way you're cupped to give those open strings room to ring out. So here's our 3 chords together. Make sure your strings are ringing out, and don't worry about taking a minute to find these new chords. This is all brand new. It may take you a minute, but the more you do it, the better you'll get at it. I would love to hear how this is going for you. Leave me a comment and let me know, or email me at brandon@mypovguitar.com if you need one-on-one help. just let me know, and we'll see you in the next lesson. If you need instructions on how to hold the pick or to read chord diagrams, I'm going to pop 2 videos up here that you can check out.